Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. In today's episode we are going to do Ipsy bag. So Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription where you receive 5 luxury sample size items that vary from skincare to makeup, so it could be anywhere in between or tools as well. It's usually some pretty good stuff. It also comes in a makeup bag every month. This is what the bag looks like this month, and it has it's like a Tetris theme, they said. Now I'm gonna say this. So my bag came really late, and I tracked it around the 18th, and I was like, what's going on? It said it was South Haven, Mississippi. I was like, cool. No, this is like the 16th. I was like, cool, because that's usually the first stop before it gets to me, and the last stop before it gets to me. So I was like, cool, okay, so it should be here the day after tomorrow at the latest. It went from South Haven, Mississippi to Georgia. To Georgia. And I was like, what? So it took another 5 days. I received this on the 22nd, so clearly it took me a while to get it up, but that's irrelevant. I was just kind of busy. It was my husband's birthday over the weekend. I wasn't going to film over the weekend because, you guys, I'm not making excuses. I'm sick of making excuses. Anyway, so my bag is red, which is super odd because when I looked at my sneak peeks, it said it was orange. So, and look, I do like the little Tetris piece. I did not do any add-ons this month. There wasn't anything that exciting. So here's, oh, did I get one this month? Let's see. Welcome to the block. And I always get duped. I never get a card ever that says what is in my bag. So I just get to guess how to use it and what it's for, which is super frustrating. Like, am I the only person who has never gotten the card that says what they're getting? Like, I feel like I am, and it's starting to annoy the crap out of me. So I'm going to reach into the bag and pull out okay, it says sugar on it. And, oh, it's a Contour de Force mini blush in Peach Peak. This is such cute packaging. Ooh, that's pretty. This is kind of like a mauve color. Oh, I will wear this for sure. Let's see. It's like a brownish pinkish color. So this is gonna be beautiful when you want to be a little bronze goddess. So I like this. That's cool. It was formulated in Italy, so that's cool. I got the Pearlies Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. And this is kind of cool because they usually don't have this, but there's a little sticker here so you know it has not been torn open. Wonder what it smells like. Oh, and there's a safety seal. I love that. Oh, I might do this tonight. Oh, it smells so good. I have never tried Pearlies before, so I'm excited. And this says it purifies pores, brightens skin, visibly firms, and tightens. I need that because I'm getting old. Next, okay, so I'm supposed to get a Tetris item in their bag. If you did not get a Tetris item in your bag, you need to contact Ipsy because they will mail you one, even if you did get 5 items, because everybody was supposed to receive a Tetris item. Okay, so I got an eyeshadow in the shade Top Out. Is that Top Out? Yeah. And it's this blue color. How cool would it have been if it was this red color? That would have been amazing. But so it's this blue color, and it says "Game On!" Heck yeah, with the "I love you," which I think they're trying to say like "rock on," but they said "game on." I love gaming on, maybe. I don't know. So I wasn't that impressed with the whole Tetris theme. The only thing I really thought was cool was the brushes, but like the eyeshadows weren't that great. The lip gloss, there was a lip gloss and then a tinted lip balm and then a yellow highlighter, which I would have liked to have seen how the highlighter looked, but I do have a highlighter that's yellow. I got it from Pro Fusions. Okay, the next thing I got was the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. I do have a sample of this. It was in my mail call Monday a few months ago, and I I have really oily skin. I tried to use it. It smells really, really, really good. Let's see. But I didn't like it that much. So this I will put in a giveaway. It's on the floor. For somebody else because I still have a full tube. Next, I got the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the color Medium Sand. I have not gotten a foundation or a concealer, and I've been wanting one of the two so bad. I get a lot of masks. Mask. That's what I get, at least a mask, at least 1 or 2 masks every time. So, hold on. It looks like I got the primer, the foundation, the mask, an eyeshadow, and a blush. If you would like to see me do a full face using everything I got in my Ipsy bag, leave a comment down below, because that would be actually kind of fun if I did a full face of all this, because I have a blush, an eyeshadow, a mask, a primer, a foundation, so I could just technically do a full face with that, and that would be awesome. So, I like everything, because I'm not that happy about the primer, but that's only because if I hadn't already tried it, I'd love it, but I have tried it before, so I'm not that impressed with it. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag, and I would say I'd give this a B. I like the bag. I think it's cute, and it's pretty roomy. I love the zipper, and I like almost everything I got. So hopefully that foundation is a good shade for me. You guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and I want to let you guys also know that what I'm going to be doing for July and August is I'm going to pick 2 times a month. I'm going to go through my videos and randomly pick, well, at least 2 times a month. If I can afford to do it more, in mailing wise, I will do it more, but at least so 2 times in July and 2 times in August, that's a guaranteed 4 times. I'm going to randomly select somebody in the comments of my videos, and I'm going to mail them a surprise package. So be sure that you hit that notification bell, because you never know if it's gonna be you. I love you guys all so, so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! And you do have to be subscribed for that, though, just so that's clear. You have to be subscribed, leave a comment, and like the video. I will do a video strictly on this in the future. I love you guys so much. I'll see you later. Bye.